Hello, my friends. Let's see what I'm cooking up for tonight. Would you like a taste, kiddies? Ah, yes. The Rode Videomicro. If you'd like to win one of these, wait till the end of this video to find out how. Excuse me. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Chris and welcome to Immodernation. Alright, you know what? Let's just get rid of this background. Okay, good. Yeah, the music. Cut the music too. Alright, so this is a giveaway. This is an opportunity for you guys to win the Rode Videomicro onboard condenser microphone. Now, this comes from Rode. Let's talk a little bit about the microphone itself and why you might need an onboard microphone for recording video. So a lot of people are recording video with DSLR cameras, and DSLR cameras have notoriously bad audio. I talked about this in my Fifine microphone review, which you guys can check out by clicking on the card in the upper right corner. Another reason why you might want to get something like this is portability. It sits right on the shoe mount on the top of the camera. You could take it pretty much anywhere. It doesn't require a battery. It is a plug and go device. Let's read a little bit more about it. So it's a compact on-camera microphone. Comes with a 2-year warranty. It uses the Rycote Lyre, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, suspension mount. What this does is it's like a shock mount for your microphone so that when you're moving the camera around a lot, you're not gonna pick it up on the microphone itself. This is a great microphone if you do a lot of vlogs where you have the camera very close up to your face and you're keeping that distance between yourself and the microphone very short. So this microphone also comes with the windscreen. The windscreen is great for shooting outdoors. A lot of times when it's really windy, the microphone will pick it up and you'll get this low frequency hum or sometimes the sharp sounds in the higher frequency band that are really gonna ruin your video. So having a windscreen, or sometimes people in the video industry call it a dead cat, not particularly fond of that term, but when you have this on your microphone, it does protect from some of the wind noise. There's not much else to say about it. This is a great microphone. In fact, I'm using it right now on my camera as we speak to record this video. It's actually sitting on the very top of my camera. So I've talked enough about this product. You guys want to know, how can you win this thing? So in order to win this, you're gonna need to click on the link in the video description below. And when you go there, you're gonna wanna make sure that you are first and foremost subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then there'll be other opportunities to enter. The rules are that this contest is only available to people living in the United States. Historically, in the past, what I've done is included a second prize as well. This contest is no different. So, for people living in the US, you'll have the opportunity to win the Rode Videomicro, and for everybody else living internationally, I will be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. So that's two contests. People living in the United States will have the opportunity to win this guy right here, and everybody else will have the opportunity to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Amazon is available in most countries, right? I think. Make sure you click on the link below to get entered. Remember, you can't win if you don't enter. Okay, so that is it for me. Everybody have a happy Halloween. Stay safe out there. And as always, I will see you later.